Welcome to Cooking with Gerald. If you've ever thought about growing your own food but felt limited by space, you're in the right place. Today it's all about garlic. Let's talk about growing garlic, right on your patio, balcony, or even a sunny windowsill. You don't need a sprawling backyard or a fancy greenhouse to enjoy homegrown garlic. In fact, all you need is a pot, some good soil, and a little bit of sunlight. You don't need a big garden. A simple pot is all it takes. This makes garlic perfect for apartment dwellers, renters, or anyone with limited outdoor space. Plus, pots are easy to move around, so you can always find the best spot for your plants. Container gardening is perfect for small spaces, gives you control over soil and water, and helps avoid pests. You can monitor your plants closely, adjust watering as needed, and even bring your pots indoors if the weather turns bad. It's a flexible, low-maintenance way to garden. Both hardneck and softneck garlic work in pots. Softneck is great for mild climates and storage, hardneck for colder areas and bold flavor. This means you can experiment with different types and discover which one you like best, no matter where you live. Pick varieties that suit your climate and taste, and always buy seed garlic from a reputable supplier, not the grocery store. Seed garlic is specially grown to be disease-free and will give you the healthiest, most productive plants. Growing garlic in pots is easy, rewarding, and brings fresh flavor right to your kitchen. Imagine harvesting your own garlic, knowing exactly how it was grown, and enjoying that unbeatable taste in your favorite dishes. Ready to get started? Let's set up your container and take the first step toward growing your own delicious garlic at home. Start by choosing a pot that's at least 8 to 10 inches deep, with plenty of drainage holes at the bottom. Garlic absolutely hates sitting in soggy soil, and good drainage is key to healthy roots. Avoid containers that hold water or don't have holes, as this can lead to rot and poor growth. Terracotta or plastic pots both work well, as long as water can escape easily. When planting, give each garlic clove about 4 to 6 inches of space so the bulbs have room to grow big and healthy. In a standard 5-gallon pot, you can comfortably fit 4 to 6 cloves. Don't overcrowd them, as this can stunt their growth and reduce your harvest. For the best results, use a rich mix of potting soil and compost, and add perlite or coarse sand to improve drainage and aeration. This blend provides the nutrients garlic needs and ensures excess water drains away, preventing root rot. Avoid using garden soil, which can be too dense for containers. Fill your pot loosely with the soil mix, leaving about an inch of space at the top to make watering easier. Before planting, water the soil thoroughly so it's evenly moist but not soggy. Lightly press the soil to remove large air pockets, but don't compact it too much. Place your container in a spot where it will receive at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight each day. South-facing patios, balconies, or garden spaces are ideal. Garlic thrives in full sun, so don't be shy about giving it the brightest location you can find. The more sunlight your garlic gets, the bigger and better your bulbs will be at harvest time. Sunlight is essential for strong, healthy growth, so always prioritize a sunny spot. Taking the time to prepare your container properly sets you up for a fantastic garlic harvest. Good prep means fewer problems and healthier plants down the road. With your container ready, you're all set. Let's get started and plant your garlic. Garlic is best planted in the fall, when the weather is cool and the days are getting shorter. This gives the cloves plenty of time to establish roots before winter sets in, ensuring a strong start in spring. Aim to plant your garlic about 4 to 6 weeks before the ground freezes solid. Start by breaking apart the garlic bulb into individual cloves, making sure to keep the papery skins on each clove to protect them from disease and rot. Select the largest, healthiest cloves for planting. These will produce the biggest, most robust bulbs next summer. Smaller cloves can be used for cooking instead. Plant each clove with the pointy end facing up, about 2 to 3 inches deep, and 4 to 6 inches apart. This spacing gives each plant enough room to grow a full-sized bulb. Cover the cloves with soil and water them lightly to settle the earth around them. If you live in a region with cold winters, add a thick layer of straw mulch over your garlic bed. This helps insulate the soil, protects the cloves from freezing, and keeps weeds at bay. Don't be alarmed if you see green shoots poking through the soil before winter arrives. These young shoots are hardy and will survive the cold, resuming growth as soon as spring returns. Throughout the growing season, check the soil regularly. Water your garlic whenever the top inch of soil feels dry to the touch, but be careful not to overwater. Garlic prefers soil that is moist but never soggy. In early spring, as the weather warms and new growth appears, feed your garlic with a balanced liquid fertilizer every few weeks. This extra nutrition helps the plants develop strong leaves and large bulbs. Always keep the soil consistently moist, but avoid letting it become waterlogged, as this can cause the bulbs to rot. With the right care, your garlic will grow into strong, healthy plants with lush green leaves and sturdy stems. That's all it takes. Just a little attention and patience, and you'll be rewarded with a fantastic garlic harvest next summer. Harvest when the bottom third to half of the leaves turn yellow and dry. Stop watering a week or two before harvest to help bulbs cure. Gently loosen the soil and lift the bulbs. Don't pull by the stems. Shake off dirt, but don't wash. Keep bulbs dry for curing. Hang garlic in a cool, dark, airy spot for 2-4 weeks until wrappers are papery. Trim roots and stems, brush off dirt, and store in a cool, dark place. That's it. Fresh, homegrown garlic from your own pot. Give it a try and enjoy the flavor you grew yourself. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.